Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, security system, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.